Well, I've got to be honest, I've only done this for an hour and my b****'s aching. Oh, the vibrations on that thing. It really does do it to you. So Adrian's taken over again. Getting better and better now. You can see where we've rolled. And you can see that it's becoming a lot flatter. Small undulations are acceptable. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's raining, but we're still rolling. Look at that, look. Devotion to duty. That's what it's all about. So there you go.